Hi guys, so I'm going on vacation and I wanted to create just easy hairstyles while I'm gone. I'm gonna need small things that I can pack easily, and actually one of my favorite hair care brands just came out with a comb and a really cute oversized scrunchie. And they're small enough for me to take, so we're gonna make a look. So why don't we just start? I'm gonna brush my hair with the thick side of the comb, and you'll just like make sure you get all the tangles out, like getting your hair ready for that ponytail. Then we want to use the fine tip of the comb for any imperfections at the end. I will be using that. So this is the scrunchie from Gussi that we will be using. It's super soft and silk and great. Then you'll take your scrunchie and pretty much make that high pony. Then we can kind of fix like any imperfection, you know, like this, and then pretty much we'll just tie it up. And that's pretty much the look. It literally took me 5 minutes, so it's perfect for when I'm on the go and I need to go. So anyways, if you like these looks, you can shop both products on Gussi's website. Bye!